This video will show you how to download and install Panopto Personal Lecture Capture. Access the required VLE study unit from your VLE dashboard. Click Turn Everything On. In the Desired section, click on Add an activity and select Lecture Capture Panopto. Enter the activity name as Lecture Capture Panopto. And click Save and Return to Course. Access the Lecture Capture Panopto link and you will be automatically directed to Panopto folder. Click Download Panopto link located top right corner of the screen. Click on Download Panopto to download Panopto installer. To start the installation process, click on the downloaded file and select the destination folder. You can change it or you can simply click on Next. Once you're ready, click Install and the software will be launched automatically.